It's Crypto Vlog, guys. In today's video, Wadoozie, so sit back, relax, and enjoy.
And before we start, guys, I just want to let you know that I'm not your financial advisor and that you should make your own decisions before investing into a project. Picture this, somewhere in America right now there's a bus on the move. You won't find its schedule on Google Maps, there's no ticket you can buy. But there's something valuable hidden along its route, and only those who follow the signal can find it. This isn't a game, this isn't a movie, this is actually happening. Today I'm telling you about Wadoozie, a project so different from anything in the crypto space that I had to double check it was real. Stay with me because you don't see this every day. Before I tell you what Wadoozie is, let me tell you what it's not. It's not another meme coin with no story behind it. It's not a project that promises the moon and disappears in a week. And it's definitely not something you've ever seen before. Wadoozie is a narrative-driven, on-chain attention network built on Ethereum blockchain with a real story at its core. At the center of everything is one character, Wadoozie. He's described as a returning signal, an entity that came back because the network hits its breaking point. And he's moving, literally. Wadoozie is physically traveling through all 48 contiguous US states on a tour bus. He activates nodes in each state. You can track exactly where he is in real time. You can show up and meet him in person. Yes, you can literally meet him in real life. This isn't decoration, this isn't a marketing trick. The story is the foundation of the entire project, and the token called WADZ exists to power it. The story isn't dressing up a product, the story is the product. To understand why Wadoozie exists, you need to understand the problem it's trying to solve. They call it the drift. The internet as we know it, it's fragmented, extractive, broken. Creators work for platforms that keep all the value. User attention gets sold to advertisers. Culture has shattered into 8,000 disconnected bubbles. The drift happened when the signal, the thing that connects people, ideas, and culture, fractured. Wadoozie returned because the network hit its breaking point, and now he's on a mission to put it back together. This sounds like a science fiction, but in this project, that story has very concrete mechanisms backing every single step. What separates Wadoozie from everything you've seen before are 4 mechanisms that hold the whole thing together like one machine. Wadoozie is on a bus, right now, somewhere in America. There's a live tracker at tracker.wadoozie.com, where you can see the exact location of the bus in real time. The tour is divided into 8 narrative acts across 48 states. Flagship stops include Austin, Las Vegas, Chicago, New York, Miami, Nashville, and New Orleans. When Wadoozie enters a state, that state node goes live. The community converges and the hunt begins. And this is the part that completely blew me away. There are 576 hidden prizes, called signal fragments, spread across all 48 states and online. Each fragment belongs to one of 4 tiers. Tier 1, common, found through simple clues. Tier 2, uncommon, require more active effort. Tier 3, rare, tied to harder clues and key discovery moments. And Tier 4, legendary. Every state gets exactly 1 legendary fragment. No state is favored. Every fragment you find can be redeemed for WADZ tokens directly from on-chain pool. The total prize pool is 722,625 WADZ, which at a $1 billion market cap works out to roughly $461,000. And here's the detail that matters. Fragments are never leaked in advance and never burned before they're found. Everything is transparent on-chain. Now we get to the part that directly involves you, if you create content. Wadoozie has a publishers network, a system where creators get paid to clip, post, and amplify the mission. Head over to publishers.wadoozie.com, sign up and start earning from approved submissions. The total creator pool is 70 million WADZ tokens, 7% of the entire supply, paid directly to creators, not to the platform, not to the company, to you. On top of that, leaderboards, multipliers, and seasonal bounties. If you've ever wanted to be part of a project where your content is actually valued, this is it. And WADZ is the native token that coordinates and rewards participants across all the mechanisms above. A few key tokenomics details. Total supply around 1 billion tokens. 2 billion minted, 1 billion burned at launch. Buy-sell tax 0%. No hidden costs. 75% of supply is in liquidity pool. Locked and DAO governed. The contract is re-announced. No one can unilaterally change the rules. Team tokens are locked for 12 months from launch. For anyone who wants to verify, the contract address is here. Everything is visible on Etherscan. The project has been audited by Certic, Cyberscope and Coinsult, 3 independent auditing firms. America is just the beginning. After Wadoozie completes the tour through 48 US states, the next destination is Europe. The same 4 mechanisms, a bigger map. The long-term vision is for this to evolve into an always-on DAO-governed ecosystem, where the community makes decisions and the system rewards participation at an unprecedented scale. This isn't a sprint. This is a long-game mission. Every great mission needs people behind it, and Wadoozie has built the infrastructure for exactly that. X or Twitter. This is the real-time pulse of the project. First announcements live here. Bus routes, node activations, signal fragment timers. If you're not on X, you'll be missing fragments before everyone else finds them. Follow right now. Telegram is for direct community communication. News, discussions, alerts when the bus enters a new state. Fast, direct, unfiltered. If you want to stay ahead of every move, Telegram is non-negotiable. And Discord is the heart of the community. Everything happens here. Announcements, support, and the place where you actually redeem the signal fragments you find. Coordination, chat community, all in one place. Join the server and be part of the story from day one. Links are in the description. Don't wait. So let's recap what Wadoozie actually is. Have you ever seen a crypto project where there's a character physically traveling across America, where you can literally show up and meet him, where there are 576 hidden prizes scattered across the country and online, where they pay you to create content? I haven't. This is something completely new and it's just getting started. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you find this video informative and entertaining. Don't forget to share this video, subscribe to this channel, like it and put notification on. Join this amazing project called Wadoozie and check all of these information just for yourself. And I hope to see you guys in the next video. Bye.